Welcome to part 1 of our video on building fundamentals, focusing on acoustics in educational spaces. We'll be solving a design problem related to classroom reverberation time. Our learning objectives are to calculate reverberation time using Sabine's equation, evaluate if a classroom meets international standards, and optimize the design with practical treatments. The design scenario involves a secondary school classroom with dimensions 8 meters by 6 meters by 3.5 meters. It has masonry walls, an acoustic ceiling, and a vinyl floor. Our target reverberation time is 0.70 seconds. Acoustics matter because excessive reverberation reduces speech intelligibility and impacts educational equity. Good acoustics improve concentration, protect teacher vocal health, and enhance learning outcomes. Step 1 is to determine the room volume. By multiplying the length, width, and height, we find the classroom volume to be 168 cubic meters. This volume is critical for sound energy containment. Step 2 is determining the required absorption. Rearranging Sabine's equation using our target RT60 of 0.7 seconds gives us a required absorption of 38.6 total savings. Step 3 involves evaluating the proposed finishes: acoustic tiles for the ceiling, vinyl flooring, and painted masonry for the walls. We calculate the absorption provided by each material and sum them up for a total absorption of 44.74 savings. Steps 4 and 5 perform the final performance check. Our target RT60 is 0.70 seconds. The actual RT60, calculated with 44.74 savings, is 0.60 seconds. The design status is acceptable, as it exceeds the minimum requirements for speech clarity. Although the performance is acceptable, speech clarity can be further enhanced. Future optimizations include wall-mounted acoustic panels, absorptive notice boards, and acoustically absorptive furniture. A professional practice note: the ceiling often contributes more than 70% of a classroom's total acoustic absorption, making ceiling selection the most cost-effective control method. Some common design mistakes to avoid include using exposed concrete ceilings, incorporating large glass areas without acoustic treatment, and neglecting the influence of furniture absorption. Our quick design checklist includes confirming room dimensions, establishing the target RT60, identifying surface finishes, and documenting all calculations.